This is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop. Got a quick little machining job to do. I need to clean up the old lathe before we get started. It's been seeing a lot of work lately. Farmer dropped this off. This piece of steel. We're going to clean up a bit. And all he wants is this cut 2 inches, roughly. That's not critical. He wants this bearing to fit inside there. And the centering is not critical. Obviously, I'm going to turn this down, clean it up, clean up the sides and all that. Make that fit. He doesn't want a crazy, press fit or nothing like that. He's going to weld this to something. So I told him, that could warp it and stuff. But if you deal a lot with small farmers, you do a lot of weird little stuff like this out of scrap. He did say I get to keep the rest of this, so that's cool. So yeah, he wants this sink down there, flush with this, that edge there. And then he's going to weld this to something, and a shaft with a retainer clip goes on this side. And I guess there's something similar on the other side to keep the shaft from floating side to side. So, quick little job. What we'll do first is I'm going to take it over to the bandsaw and get rid of all this extra stuff. Well, I'm going to clean it up first with a wire wheel. Cut it, bring it back over here, face one side, flip it over so we have a flat reference surface against the chuck. Then we'll cut it to length and bore it. Should be pretty easy. He said the outside diameter does not matter at all because it's going to be welded, and he said with some standoffs. So again, don't know what he's doing with it, just doing what I'm told. Okay, let's go over to the bandsaw. And we're in the bandsaw. I just chucked it up in the lathe real quick to clean it up, as you saw. Some of you might be wondering why I didn't do more operations with it in the lathe. It was just quite a bit of stick out, but it cleaned it up real quick, made it look a lot nicer. That center's off quite a bit, not quite a bit, but off from the outside. Again, I don't know what this piece of metal came from. So we'll get her cut, and we'll get it back in the lathe. Okay, this side all done. Took the file to it, broke the corner, took my chamfering tool, cleared up the inside, nice and flat. Very cool. Now we have reference surface. Now we will flip it over and finish it up. We'll put we'll do all the precision stuff on the other side. So we'll flip it over, butt it up, and we'll start boring for our bearing. I'll bring you back. Okay, we are done. Sorry about that last part. The sound didn't really record. You didn't miss much. That insert left the world of the living. It gave up on that, so I had to swap the insert out. Here's our part. Came out nice. So you wanted. Turny, turny. Turny, turny. I would have made it a little bit more of a press fit, but that's all he wanted. When you deal with farmers, they like to lock tight things in. So it's about a half a thou press in. I mean, maybe not even that. I was able just to tap it in. See, we're spinning nicely on the inside there. So yeah, we're very happy with that for whatever it goes for, or goes to rather. So one more job out the door. I'm going to try to find a better setup to record stuff on the lathe. I think I'm going to get a little tripod and put it on the other side of the compound, that flat part that goes to the taper attachment. That way you guys can see a little bit more of this. It's just no matter what I do, it seems like the tool post is always in the way. So, yep, there we go. This is Adam, Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.